Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word ornamented. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Christmas tree was beautifully ornamented with glittering lights and shiny baubles. The word ornamented in the sentence means decorated or embellished with attractive or ornate elements, often used to enhance beauty or visual appeal. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.